News now from Haryana that's heading to polls soon, and ahead of those elections, the regional parties, especially INLD and JJP, are trying to woo Dalit voters by forging alliances with such parties. Already, the INLD has made an alliance with the BSP, and now the JJP is also forging an alliance with Chandrasekhar Azad's party to change the political equation. Well, let's go across to Gurpreet now for more. And Gurpreet, with Dalits, representing 21% of the electorate. You have Dushyant Chautala seeing an advantage in tying up with Chandrasekhar Azad's party.
Well, yes, we have seen in Haryana, caste-based politics has already been initiated by the political parties. If we can talk about the BJP has already appointed the chief minister from OBC quota, and after that we have seen INLD, specifically the regional party, they are trying to encash the Dalit voters in all over Haryana. We have seen a few days back INLD had a forged alliance with the BSP, keeping an eye on the Dalit votes, and now we have seen today that JJP has already formed alliance with the same with the party with the same intention that they will be able to encash the Dalit voters. So let's see that which party is going to gain, and whether these things, these political calculation will really affect the voters' mind or not. That is yet to be seen, because all the political parties, they are adopting different political strategy to the voters. We have seen the BJP has taken initiative to give bonus to the farmer so that they will be able to woo the farmers. So let's see in the coming days it will be more clear, and after results it will be clear which political strategy has really worked for which political party. Back to studio.